Ever grappled with the intricacies of importing goods from China, USA, or Dubai to Pakistan? It's a dance of logistics, regulations, and paperwork that can be daunting, but fear not. This is your comprehensive guide to understanding the process, step by step. First on the docket, identify the goods you want to import. It could be electronics from China, designer apparel from the USA, or luxury items from Dubai. The world is your marketplace, and it's up to you to decide what to bring to Pakistan. Next, find a reliable supplier. This may involve some research and negotiation, but it's an essential step. Once you've found a trustworthy supplier, confirm your order. Remember to get all the details in writing, including the terms of delivery and payment. Now comes the paperwork. You'll need a national tax number, NTN, and a sales tax registration. These are non-negotiables for all importers. Once you've sorted these out, it's time to apply for an import-export license from the Directorate General of Foreign Trade. The next step involves the actual shipping of your goods. You can choose to ship by sea or air. While shipping by sea is cheaper, it takes longer. On the other hand, air freight is faster but more expensive. The choice depends on the nature of your goods and your budget. Once your goods arrive in Pakistan, they'll need to clear customs. This involves paying the required duties and taxes and ensuring your goods meet Pakistan's import standards. After clearing customs, the goods are yours to sell and profit from. So to recap, identify your goods, find a reliable supplier, sort out your paperwork, ship your goods, and clear customs. It's a process, yes, but with patience and perseverance, it's entirely doable. Importing goods from China, USA, or Dubai to Pakistan can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By taking it one step at a time, you can navigate the process with ease. So go forth, import, and contribute to the vibrant market that is Pakistan.